What's up everyone, Crypto Underground is back with an update video while I'm traveling to the airport, guys. So maybe you're gonna hear some background noise, but of course this doesn't stop me to make a nice update video on Bitcoin quickly, and of course into some altcoins that are looking extremely bullish right now. Also for Ethereum we have most likely the next breakout upcoming. So welcome everyone, Crypto Underground here. Of course I always update you based on my own price analysis and researches, so I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just sharing my own thoughts and analysis of the crypto market, so always do your own research as well. So Bitcoin is still falling, guys, nothing new here. We are still above our short-term support at around 106k. As long as we are above in the 4-hour time frame, we still have the chance, of course, to bounce higher. And I think that very soon we're gonna see a big bounce because the indicators are oversold basically, and I think we just need a little good news or catalyst that could, of course, bring here a big trend reversal in the immediate short term. In the bigger time frames, of course, we are still bullish, but here in the 4-hour and daily time frame, of course, we are entering right now into a small downtrend, and the correction keeps going on, most likely for the next coming days and weeks, until we are getting some good buy signals in my own indicators. So currently I'm waiting, of course, until we get the buy signal on the daily time frame. Unfortunately, here we still are shifted to the downside. We don't have a bullish cross, nothing. So that's why, as long as we are in the downtrend, guys, this correction keeps going on for Bitcoin, maybe even down towards 107k, 100k. Everything is possible right now at this moment of time, but you can definitely see that the trend is still shifted to the upside in the bigger time frames. And also for the altcoins, we are looking extremely bullish, because if you go into the large caps like Tron, Solana, Ethereum, you can see everywhere we are forming almost new all-time highs everywhere. I think it's just a matter of time until things are really going crazy here in the crypto space and the altcoin space. And you can see that also Ethereum here is forming this rising wedge. We are right at the support down here at $4,400. I think that even though we're forming here this bearish pattern, in theory this is a bearish pattern, we have the chance here to break out higher, break out to the upside and create new all-time highs, and leave on basically this consolidation phase here. Because also Bitcoin, very often whenever it's bullish, it's forming bearish patterns, but then it breaks out to the upside, and this is in my opinion now also the case for Ethereum. So watch out for the next breakout, guys, for Ethereum. That breakout will, in my opinion, lead into the beginning of a massive altcoin season, because usually the large caps are pumping first and then the low market caps are pumping afterwards. So then we're going to see, of course, a big altcoin season. That's why I'm also preparing myself right now by buying more Ethereum, more Tron, more Solana, and of course more new upcoming cryptos that you can find, of course, in my video description. I put there the complete list of new upcoming low market cap cryptos that will be launching in the next coming weeks and months during the next altcoin season. And whenever we are in a big altcoin season, guys, I like to invest also into those low market cap coins. Currently the most hyped one is Bitcoin Hyper, this one over here, link in the video description, Maxi Doge, and of course Wall Street Pepe, that launched previously on Ethereum and now it is launching on Solana. There is a big hype around this new Pepe team to be Bitcoin as well. So if you want to check them out and also get the latest updates on those new projects, guys, then make sure to check out first of all my other videos where I showed you how to invest into those low market cap coins, what they are, what they do, and of course also later on I'm gonna update you as well how to claim the tokens and also how to trade them. For now, that's it, guys. We have to wait for the big breakout. For Bitcoin, we need to wait for the big bounce, and of course for the altcoins, I think we're gonna see most likely very soon continuation to the upside. It is also possible that first we're gonna see Bitcoin making a big move, because you can see here on the Bitcoin dominance we are coming to a very important moving average, the 100 weekly moving average, and here a little bounce is possible before eventually we head lower, because here also my indicators we are in oversold condition, and a bounce here at this important moving average, I think it's very healthy and possible. But latest, once we retest maybe the previous low here as a new resistance and then come back down, then of course we're going to see the continuation of the altcoins. But it is possible that first we're going to see another big move for Bitcoin before in the altcoins, and then once this one is again coming down, the Bitcoin dominance, that the altcoins again will outperform Bitcoin. But it is possible that in the next coming days and weeks we're going to see Bitcoin making the next bigger move, and then the altcoins afterwards. So we will see, guys. I keep you updated. I'm on my way to the airport, of course. I'm gonna keep you updated once I'm back in the office, of course, and then we're gonna have some big updates, of course, into those upcoming cryptos like Wall Street Pepe, Bitcoin Hyper, Maxi Doge, and so on, that are currently going very viral in different crypto websites. All links in the video description, guys. Also, if you want to sign up to an exchange like Bybit, Maxi Global, BitUnix, and so on some exchanges you don't need KYC, so take advantage of that. On some of them you need like Bybit, but with my links you always get some extra deposit bonuses. So salute you for now, guys. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. I remain bullish, of course, overall, but short term, of course, a bit more downside is possible until we get buy signals everywhere, especially in the 4-hour and the daily time frame. I keep you updated once that happens. Until then, Bitcoin, of course, continues to correct here probably for the next coming days. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see you soon in the next one. Crypto on the ground. Bye.